InSpec allows users to select specific characteristics for each feature to be displayed as labels on the camera window. And this is done by enabling the labels with the upper right button in InSpec's UI, and you will see a pinup box on the camera window. Additionally, you can right-click on the feature, select labels, and here we can, for example, add all tolerance properties. Also, we can select to show the actual value, the nominal value of this measurement, and also the deviation from nominal. So as you can see here, the label displays all characteristics with each one of those values. You can select multiple features, and we can go to the label settings and select the characteristics and properties that we would like to display. In this case, we will do center X, center Y, diameter, and we will show actual and nominal values. And when enabling the labels, you will see in red the features that are out of tolerance, and in green the features that are in tolerance. To complete this example, we will show the surface profile in the label of the composite feature. We will show the actual value. All of the labels can be arranged in the camera window as you wish, and additionally we can save this as part of your program. So the next time this program is executed, the labels will be displayed and arranged in the camera window in the same way you did that while programming. The purpose of having labels is that users and operators will be able to see the results immediately on the camera window. By hovering over features, you can see actual values and out of tolerance values, but this is a good way of having everything on the screen. To disable labels, it is suggested that you select all the labels on your list and click on the labels button